everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your frozen Android tablet. So I have this Lenovo ThinkPad Pro. Now if I hold down the power button and the volume up key, I can just hold this down on most Android tablets right here simultaneously and it will force turn off my tablet. Now my Lenovo ThinkPad Pro, if I hold down the power button and the volume down key, it'll take a screenshot. But after about 10 to 15 seconds, it will turn off my screen. You can see it says force turn off after 3 seconds. And then I can just try turning back on my tablet and it should fix the frozen screen. So just that combination of buttons, either the power button, volume up for like 10 seconds, give it a few seconds. If that doesn't work, power button, volume down for about 3 seconds. And just make sure you restart it and then turn it back on and see if it works. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.